Okay, so now we're going to chop a chicken breast. Here, the chicken breast, it's been defrosting for about the last 6 or 7 hours. I just kept it out at room temperature. We have kind of a butterfly effect going, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this right down the middle. The easy way to cut chicken breast for me is I always start at the thinner edge and just make some longitudinal cuts like this. If you want to cube things up, you can make some cubed pieces as well, but I'm going to show you that in a little bit. So each individual piece will range in size from about this big to maybe a little bit bigger. I'm going to cut them down a little bit smaller. And I'm going to repeat the same for the other chicken breast in just a sec. Flip it over, start with the smaller side. That's how you chop chicken breast.